Hello guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to share with you this website. This website name is AdBCH Bitcoin Cash, and you can earn from here Bitcoin Cash. Okay, the site available this much, and you can earn. Just visit the short links, not short links, the visit available site is this much, and you can earn this much amount just watching the advertisement. Okay, and this is all payment from this website. A lot of people receiving their payments. This website is 100% free. Okay, and the last payment is very long time ago. I don't know why. This is the all deposit from this website. Okay, and you can just click register. You can register yourself. Just put your username, first name, last name, email, password, confirm password, and gender. Choose your gender, male or female, and you can solve the capture, and you can easily log in this website. Okay, just I click login. I log in myself. I show you how you can earn from this website. Okay, the earning is very easy. You can earn very easy way. Okay, just I click login. This might BCH I have, and this website I have a few ways to earning. The first way is the rating. Okay, this is my rating point. If you surfing much more, and the rating point is go up, and they pay you much more. Okay, the first one is the referral. You can referral yourself, and you can referral your friends to come join this website, and you can earn from the referral too. Okay, and I should share with you one other video to how you can referral yourself, and you can earn from the referraling yourself and selling your referral persons. Okay, the next ones for earning is surfing website. The surfing website is very easy. Just watching one ads with a few seconds, and you can earn your cryptocurrency, and that was too easy. Okay, just I click earn, and I share with you how you can earn. Okay, this is the available website, and if you just want to watch this website, just click view and come back. The seconds will be counting down, and after 80 seconds you can receive your this much price from BCH. Okay, I pause the video. After a few seconds I come back. Okay guys, you can see the seconds is finished. I earned the coin this website told me. Okay, and they pay me in my balance. And the next one is the short links. You can visit the short links, and you can earn from the short links. Okay, 44 short links is available in this website. This is very high, and this much BCH pay you from this short links. Okay, if you watch all the short links, they pay you this much BCH. Okay, and that was too easy for earning. And I share with you the withdrawal. The withdrawal is the minimum withdrawal is how much. The first one is the microbot. Don't withdraw to microbot. This is the beating website. Withdraw to Faucet pay. Okay, and the minimum withdrawal is 0.0025. this is very easy to earn this much. Okay, and if you watch all the short links and visit all links for 2 days, you can easily make this much BCH. Okay, thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description, and click the link and come here, register yourself, and you can enjoy free earning. Bye bye.